What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Roy Koopa from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson along the left side of our page at the top edge of the nose. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to curve this up in the middle and then bend that down towards the right. Now we want to move in and draw in the nostrils. So we're going to draw a little hook that goes up and then down on the left, move over towards the right and go in the opposite direction. Now let's layer in the cheeks. We're going to start on the left side, step up, curve this up and then out, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the center, step up and draw a straight line going across the glasses. Now I want to bend this up and then out towards the top left, go over towards the right and do the same thing, going up and out towards the same height. Let's add a point. Come down and in with a short curve. Now I want to round up the side of the glasses and tuck that in behind the cheeks. Now we're going to trace the frame along the inside. So let's start on top of the nose. We're going to curve this up and out, round at the end, come down and then in on top of the cheek. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up and out, round this out, come down and then back in. Now let's go back to the center. We're going to step down, start with a point. Let's draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start with the left side coming down and we'll bend that up. Let's go to the center, come down and up towards the right. Let's add those two large fangs coming down at an angle. So we're going to start from here, come down, and just bring that back up and in. Let's add the tooth over on the right side. Now we're going to open up the mouth, starting on the left, coming down, and then up. Let's add a curve across the middle of the tongue, and we'll fill the top area in black. Now we want to go back to the side of the glass and draw on the cheeks. So let's start on the left, going around, and then bend that in towards the side of the tooth. And do the same thing on the right. Now let's go to the inside and draw on the chin. From the left, curve this down, go across, and then up. Let's go up to the top of the glasses and curve the head. Starting on the left, bend this up, across, and then down. Now we'll add a fold along the inside for the brow. Bend this out and then up. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside of the arms. On the left side of the chin, draw a straight line coming down towards the wrist. Go over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle coming in and then back out for the thumb. And we'll close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. So let's start from the bottom of the thumb and bend the first finger coming down and then up around that bracket. Come down towards the bottom, add the second finger coming down and up. Now the third finger, we're going to curve this all the way up towards the top and then back in towards the side of the head. So going out, bring this up around the cheek and then in towards the side of the glasses. Let's do the same thing on the right. Again, starting underneath the thumb with the first finger, add the second, and then the third, going up, go around the cheek, and we'll bend that in. Now going back to the top of the thumb, let's add a curve going down and up on either side. Now let's step up and draw that again. Now I want to add those pointed studs across the inside of the wristband. Let's start right in the middle with a circle on either side. On the outside, we're going to go out and then back in to create a point. Come to the inside and do the same thing. Now with the body, I want to shift this over towards the right. So let's start at the bottom of the thumb. We're going to bend this down and then out in behind the right finger. Let's add 2 seams across the body. Starting from the top, bend this down and then up. Step down in between the thumbs and draw that again. Now going down towards the bottom of the body, let's move over towards the right and draw the inside edge of the legs. So we're going to start on the left. Bend this down and then out. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's step in and curve the bottom half of the leg coming down towards the heels. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel coming down and then out. Now I want to add a claw. From this point, we're going to go up and then bend that down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's layer a second toe in behind. From this point, we're going to step up, go this out and up, and this up and then down on top. Now let's do that one more time. Now I want to draw the outside of the thighs. Let's start underneath the hand on the left. I'm going to start down here, coming down, and then bend that in towards the ankle. Let's go on top of the last claw, curve the foot, going up and then in underneath. Now on the right side, I'm going to start from the side of the hand, bend the thigh, going out, down, and then in, again towards the ankle. And then on top of the last claw, bend this up and then in underneath. Now over on the right side, we're going to add the edge of the shell. Let's start from the side of the glasses, and curve this out, come around, and just tuck that in behind the leg. Let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the shell, starting on top of the glasses. We're going to go up, come around, and just pull that in. Let's add the end of the tail, starting from the shell, bend this out and up, taper that back in. And now we're going to add those spikes going around the shell. Let's start from the very top, bend this up and then in towards the point, go out and then down. Let's move over and draw another one, going out, back in. Let's add one more. And we'll separate the bottom with a trim. Just follow the same curve of the shell. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Roy Koopa from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.